Welcome Lighting Workshop, also known as our art and virtual reality crew in the new world.
Each crew will design a portal and walkway that will be able to take inhabitants to the experience centers in the campus using the themes and product solutions provided.
So we're doing art and virtual reality. We're partnered with Kelvix. So, yay!
Create your own new art with light so that your name can be among those that we have been tasked to preserve. With the future of our history at stake, Kelvix will stand at your side to bring your vision to life. We're asking for your help. We need you.
It's a party.
Stare at it like you just.
That's it. Oh my god, yes.
Oh, it actually is now.
Oh, cool. Oh my god.
That's beefy.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. This is probably one that does all the tape.
So she wants it.